안녕하세요. 레이첼쌤이에요. Welcome to my class. I have heard many people answer the question, what is the Korean alphabet? By saying, 가나다라 마바사 are the Korean alphabet. To be honest, this is a wrong answer. Korean has no alphabet. What? Yes, we do not have an alphabet. Let me explain it. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. As we all know, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and up to X, Y, Z. These 26 alphabet letters contain 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and 21 consonants, B, C, D, F, and etc. So, what about Hangul? Hangul has 14 consonants and 10 vowels, which cannot yet be called letters. In Hangul, one or more consonants and vowels must be combined to create a single letter. As you can see in the table, by combining 14 consonants and 10 vowels, you can create 140 letters. What people say, 가나다라 마바사, is just one of these cases. Among 14 consonants, iung has no sound value when placed at the beginning of a letter. Therefore, when combined with a vowel, it is no different from when it is pronounced as a vowel alone. For example, iung plus a makes just a. Now, let's look at 10 vowels one by one. For convenience, I divided into 2 by 2. The first 2 vowels are made by drawing a long line, like a tree trunk, from top to bottom, followed by 1 or 2 short lines, like a branch, to the right. For the first vowel, draw a long line from top to bottom and a short line to the right. It is pronounced ah. For the second vowel, draw a long line from top to bottom and 2 short lines to the right. This is pronounced as ya by combining the semi-vowel sound of e with the vowel of ah. E plus ah makes ya. The following 2 vowels are made by drawing 1 or 2 short lines to the left first, and then a long line from top to bottom. For third vowel, draw a short line left to right first, and a long line from top to bottom. It is pronounced ah. For the fourth vowel, draw 2 short lines left to right first, and a long line from top to bottom. This is pronounced as ya by combining the semi-vowel sound of e with the vowel of ah. E plus ah makes ya. For the following 2 vowels, draw 1 or 2 short lines above first. Then draw a long line from left to right. For the fifth vowel, draw 1 short line at the top first, then draw a long line horizontally. It is pronounced o. For the sixth vowel, draw 2 short lines at the top first, then long line from left to right. This is pronounced as yo by combining the semivowel sound of e with the vowel of o. E plus o makes yo. For the following two vowels, draw a long line from left to right first, then one or two short lines under the long line. For the seventh vowel, draw a long line from left to right first, then one short line under the long line. It is pronounced oo. For the eighth vowel, draw a long line from left to right first, then two short lines under the long line. This is pronounced as u by combining the semivowel sound of e with the vowel of u. E plus u makes u. The last two vowels are made up of only long lines, no short lines, and can be drawn horizontally or vertically. This vowel has a unique pronunciation that only exists in Korean. The mouth opens long to the sides, but the pronunciation is ambiguous like a. It is pronounced u. This pronunciation does not exist in English. In English, card is one syllable, but when pronounced in Korean, it becomes 카드, which becomes two syllables. The last E vowel is very useful. Combine with the vowels a, o, u to create the vowels ya, yo, yo, you, like E plus a makes ya, E plus o makes yo, E plus o makes yo, E plus u makes you. However, if you change this order, compound vowels are created. When we put E first and then A, it makes ya. But when we put A first and then E, it makes E. In the same way, E plus O makes yo, but O makes E makes E. Now, download the vowel writing chart and write the vowels in the correct order several times. It will be more effective if you write each vowel sound out loud. In the table above, you can see vowels with long lines standing vertically in pink and vowels lying horizontally in purple. When combining consonants and vowels, vowels that stand vertically are combined from left to right, and vowels that lie horizontally are combined from top to bottom. For example, you can see the letters such as ka, ya, ha, ji are arranged from left to right with consonants and vowels. You can see that letters such as o, su, gu, hyo have consonants and vowels arranged from top to bottom. The vowels we learned today are not yet letters, so there is not much we can do yet. We can read and write simple letters after we learn the following lesson about consonants. The vocabulary in this chapter is not that extensive. A few words in the vocabulary list are made up of only vowels, so you should be able to memorize them all before the next class. Number 2 is called E in Korean. Say E. E. Toes is called E in Korean, same as number 2. Say E. E. When we got hurt, we say ouch, aya in Korean. Say aya, aya. Number 5 is called o in Korean. Say o, o. Cucumber is called oi in Korean. Say oi, oi. Milk is called uyu in Korean. Say uyu, uyu. Kid or child are called ai in Korean. Say ai, ai. Yo-yo is yo-yo as it is. This is a loan word from English. Say yo-yo, yo-yo. In the next chapter, we will learn about Korean consonants. 모두 수고했어요. 다음 시간에 만나요. 안녕.